Welcome to the deep dive. Really glad you could join us today because last week it was honestly one of the busiest we've seen for AI. I mean, way beyond just the usual buzz around GPT-5 or Google's Genie 3. So our mission here is simple. Cut through that noise, pull out the key nuggets for you. We want to help you get up to speed fast on the new practical tools and, the big model updates.
That's exactly right. The pace is just, well, unprecedented. And what's really fascinating, I think, isn't just bigger models. It's how AI is sort of quietly weaving itself into, well, everything we do online. It's shifting from this specialized thing into more of an ambient, always-on kind of assistant. We'll definitely see that thread today.
Okay, yeah, let's unpack that. Starting with the visual AI tools, there was an explosion last week. How are they helping creators? First up, Microsoft Copilot 3D. This is pretty wild. It takes any image you feed it.
Any image.
Yeah, any image, and bam, turns it into a 3D model. Takes about 15 seconds.
Wow, 15 seconds.
I know. Think about game devs needing quick assets or maybe hobbyists wanting to 3D print stuff. And it's free if you have a Microsoft account. That's huge.
It really is. What's fascinating here is how tools like this are, democratizing 3D creation. It just lowers the barrier so much for everyone from hobbyists to pros. But it does raise a question, doesn't it, about the quality. Like, how do these super fast models stack up against the old, more painstaking methods? Is there a speed versus quality trade-offs we need to watch?
That's a really good point. Quality versus speed. Okay, now on the video side, also some incredible stuff. Perplexity AI, they rolled out prompt to video. It's for their Pro and Max subscribers. You give it a text prompt.
And it just makes a video.
Yeah, spits out a video in under a minute. Pretty fast. And then there's OpenArt, founded by ex-Google folks. They have this one-click story feature. You give it a sentence, a script, even a song, and it makes like a 1-minute video, complete with a story arc, music, the works.
A whole story arc from one sentence. That's ambitious.
It is. They even mentioned using it for those, short kind of brain rot entertainment videos you see everywhere. AI making those now. Wild. Okay, but here's where it gets really interesting, I think, especially for content creators listening. Notebook LM.
The document chat tool.
Exactly. Now it does video overviews. You upload articles, websites, YouTube links, and it generates these explainer slideshow videos with voiceovers.
Okay, that's useful.
Right. Great for educational stuff or maybe YouTubers repurposing content. Oh, and Higgsfield AI drawed a video, upload an image, sketch changes on it, and boom, video based on your drawing. Talk about expanding creative options.
So if you connect the dots here, AI is becoming less about just making stuff from scratch.
Yeah.
And more about transforming what already exists, right? Remixing, repurposing, enhancing workflows. It's like giving one person a whole production studio. The speed and scale are just something else.
Exactly. It's a force multiplier. Okay, let's pivot a bit. Let's talk about the engine under the hood, the actual AI models, and some broader applications. Google rolled out an AI-powered Google Finance.
Oh, interesting. What's new there?
Well, the new version's got advanced charting, real-time data, obviously. But the big thing is AI answering detailed financial questions. You can ask it complex stuff.
That's significant. But it does make you think, how is AI like this going to change how regular people handle financial info? I mean, it could be great for demystifying investing.
True.
But you've got to understand its limits, right? You can't just outsource your financial thinking completely to an AI.
Yeah.
Need that critical eye.
Absolutely. Good point. And sticking with Google, they also unveiled the Gemma 3. This one's interesting because it's super lean, like 270 million parameters. Tiny.
Right. Designed for smaller devices.
Exactly. Designed to run right on your phone, basically. Quick responses, no massive cloud computing needed.
So pushing AI towards being truly on-device.
Yeah, like a lighter, faster alternative. Plus, quick mentions, Mistral AI dropped Mistral Medium 3.1, some marginal improvements there. And XAI, they made Grok 4 free for everyone. Seems like a clear shot across the bow at GPT-5.
Competition heating up.
So all this increased access, more efficiency. What's the takeaway? It feels like AI capabilities are becoming, well, almost a commodity, right? Getting cheaper, easier to access. Oh, and Claude 4.1 added support for 1 million tokens of context in its Sonnet feature for API users.
1 million tokens. That's
massive. Like feeding it an entire novel or hundreds of pages and it keeping track for deep analysis summaries. Incredible.
It just underscores the intense competition, the rapid iteration happening right now.
Yeah.
This pace. It's pushing capability, yes, but also accessibility, making these powerful tools available way more broadly. It comes back to that theme, AI becoming this ambient intelligence just there.
What a week. I mean, the sheer breadth is incredible. Instant 3D models, one-click videos, smarter finance tools, leaner, faster core models. AI is really reshaping things and fast. It definitely makes you think, how are these changes going to hit your daily life, your work? Pretty soon, I bet. How will you use these tools? What doors do they open up for you or your industry? Lots to chew on. Well, thank you so much for joining us for this deep dive today. If you found this useful, please do give the video a like and maybe share it. And definitely don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insights like this.